In this video, you will learn how to earn money in the Township game. Complete orders in a helicopter and train. Filling these orders brings XP, coins as a reward. Sell high price demand crops and food items directly or through orders. This helps keep your production busy and brings in steady income of coins. Fill requests of Township people and help friends or co-op members. Providing help will only reward you with strength and community ties in the game. Complete achievement by growing trees, delivering a set number of orders, or fishing over the tasks. Completing achievements. Additionally, coins will be added to your bank. Gather profits from your business like the cafe, restaurant, cinema, stores, and more. Collecting profits frequently guarantees a stable income in your town. Participate in regular tasks and special events to earn large coin rewards. Completing events like this lets you maximize profit and grow even faster. Expand your town's operations by adding new buildings, production chains, and growing it even more to help build a greater profit and larger income. Now you know how to earn money on the Township game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.